Live pictures coming in from outside Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's convoy now coming back from Rashtrapati Bhavan. Remember, he of course reached there about half an hour back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi now leaving from Rashtrapati Bhavan after a meeting with President of India Draupadi Murmu. Sources had indicated he was likely to submit his resignation to Draupadi Murmu. She will of course then ask him to continue as caretaker PM before the new government is formed as per protocol, because he's the leader of the BJP and leader of the NDA. He's likely to, which is the single largest party and the single largest alliance, he's likely to get the first invite from Draupadi Murmu. When that will come, of course, is something we're going to be keeping a close eye on. Remember, today itself, we are learning that possibly support letters could be taken by the BJP from the NDA allies for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. That meeting, of course, is scheduled for 4:30 p.m., the NDA alliance meeting. Meanwhile, the opposition meeting is scheduled for 6 p.m. But these, of course, are the live pictures coming in. Anand Singh, these are live visuals coming in from outside Rashtrapati Bhavan, from Vijay Chowk, of Prime Minister Narendra Modi leaving after meeting with President Draupadi Murmu.
Yeah, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has just left from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and he has just come out of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and his convoy, as we can see on our screen, that it's coming out from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and heading towards Vijay Chowk. So it is being learned that the Prime Minister must have offered his resignation to the President over there, and he must have also said that as BJP is the single largest party after the election, so it must get the chance to form the government, and it will also stake its claim to form the government along with its NDA ally partners. In the evening, as there is a NDA meeting scheduled at 4 p.m. at the residence of the Prime Minister, so these are also being said that the Prime Minister and the BJP will be getting the support letter from all its ally partners, and that will be again submitted back to the President, and then the NDA will take its mandate with the President to form the government at the center once again. So earlier in the day, we have also seen that how Union Cabinet meeting took place, and where this was the last Union Cabinet meeting of the Narendra Modi 2.0 government. So Modi, who also addressed the party workers yesterday at the party headquarters, and he mentioned that how his government once again that will be coming back to power after a few days.
We're also learning through our sources, meanwhile, Anand, that preparations have already begun though for a possible swearing-in ceremony on the 8th of June for PM Narendra Modi.
Yeah, as well as sources are concerned, they have indicated that the government will be formed on 8th of June, and that's why this kind of hurriedness has been shown by the BJP and the NDA allied partners. As we have seen that several of the NDA partners have already arrived in the national capital, and even earlier in the day when the TDP chief and former Andhra CM N. Chandrababu Naidu also clearly indicated that he will be with the NDA and he will support the NDA government at the center. So these are the things that have been taken place in the backdrop of last few hours, and the Prime Minister himself going through the President Draupadi Murmu and then submitting his resignation, and then also taking the claim to form the government. So it's quite clear that the PM will be again, after taking the support letter from all the NDA ally partners, he will be going back to President, and he will be taking the claim to form the next Narendra Modi 3.0 government.
Could that happen today itself, Anand? Could that happen today itself? Is it unlikely that the BJP would want to wait longer? Because then you have these possibilities of, allies jumping ship. They'd want to take those support letters today itself, isn't it? Because there is word, of course, coming in that Nitish Kumar, Chandrababu Naidu, etc. are being contacted by the opposition. Meanwhile, a word has come that Ajit Pawar is not going to be attending today's NDA meeting. That is also a development which, would concern the BJP.
Yeah, the comments by Ajit Pawar, party NCP, has really made BJP worried, as he has said that it was due to the BJP and the Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde camp that NCP has to suffer such a defeat in several of the seats. And they also mentioned how Baramati was lost by the NCP, which was closely contested by his wife himself, Ajit Pawar's wife, and she lost to NCP's Supriya Sule, daughter of veteran NCP leader Sharad Pawar. So these were the things.
Yes, Anand Singh, stay with us. Manohar Keshri also joining us now. Manohar, मुलाकात खत्म हो चुकी है. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी राष्ट्रपति भवन से निकल चुके हैं. क्या कुछ हुआ इस मुलाकात में और आगे की कार्रवाई अब क्या होगी?
देखिए, बिल्कुल अब से कुछ ही मिनट पहले ही प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू से मिल करके निकले हैं राष्ट्रपति भवन से, वो सीधे लोक कल्याण मार्ग जा रहे हैं और वहां पर एनडीए की बैठक होगी। बैठक में कुछ देर के बाद ही तमाम जो घटक दल हैं उनके नेता वहां पहुंचने शुरू हो जाएंगे। अब आप देखिए, जब कैबिनेट की बैठक हुई, कैबिनेट की बैठक में मंत्रिमंडल भंग करने की सिफारिश की गई और सीधे प्रधानमंत्री अपना इस्तीफा और तमाम कैबिनेट मंत्रिमंडल का इस्तीफा लेकर के राष्ट्रपति भवन पहुंचते हैं। वहां उन्होंने दिया है, इस्तीफा सौंप दिया है राष्ट्रपति से मिल करके। अब आगे की रणनीति पर भी चर्चा हुई है कि शपथ कब लेनी है, लेकिन जो सोर्सेज बतलाते हैं कि 8 जून को शपथ ग्रहण समारोह हो सकता है। अब इंतजार करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि चंद्रबाबू नायडू जब हैदराबाद से निकल रहे थे तो उन्होंने कहा भी कि हम जो है सो एनडीए के साथ हैं और एनडीए की बैठक में शामिल होंगे। और आजसू की अगर हम बात करें, एक सांसद झारखंड से जीत करके आए हैं, सुदेश महतो भी साथ में रहेंगे इस मीटिंग में, पवन कल्याण वो भी शामिल रहेंगे, नीतीश कुमार समेत तमाम जो उनके घटक दल हैं, हम के नेता जो जीतन राम मांझी हैं।
इन दलों के नेताओं से आज समर्थन पत्र क्या प्राप्त करेगी बीजेपी? क्या आज ही ये पत्र पे हस्ताक्षर लेकर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी दोबारा राष्ट्रपति भवन का रुख कर सकते हैं?
देखिए, बिल्कुल जब मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी एनडीए की, उसके बाद हो सकता है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आज ही दोबारा द्रौपदी मुर्मू से मिलकर के अपना जो सरकार बनाने का समर्थन पत्र है वो दे और डेट भी बताएं कि हम इस तारीख को समर्थन पत्र दे करके सरकार बनाने जा रहे हैं, वो सेरेमनी करने जा रहे हैं। लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात है कि अभी बैठक हुई है, क्योंकि नीतीश कुमार का जो चर्चा है, जो लगातार हमारे सहयोगी आसिफ भी बता रहे थे कि अभी तक नीतीश कुमार ने कोई चुप्पी सार्वजनिक तौर पर नहीं तोड़ी है। हालांकि चिराग पासवान ने इस बात को कहा है कि नीतीश कुमार साथ हैं, बैठक में शामिल हो रहे हैं। अब इंतजार करना पड़ेगा जब एनडीए की बैठक होगी और उसमें कौन कौन से नेता मौजूद रहेंगे। जी,
Akhilesh Yadav का भी बड़ा बयान आया है. I can see there on our screen. Akhilesh Yadav has also said, I'm going to Delhi. It's all a matter of numbers. So Akhilesh Yadav, the chief of the SP, also headed to the national capital as we speak. Sanjay Rana, fast-paced political developments, of course, playing out. 2 parallel meetings will be held in the national capital today. The BJP obviously would not want to delay things further. They would want to get these support letters today itself. The Prime Minister has just, submitted his and his Council of Ministers resignations to Draupadi Murmu, President of India. Sanjay?
Sorry, I was on mute. Yes, very much. There is a meeting today evening, NDA meeting, I think is scheduled at 4:30 p.m. today evening, and all the alliance partners going to be there in the meeting. And looking at the scenario and looking at the crisis which is there in the capital, Bharatiya Janata Party will try to get the support, supporting letter from the alliance partner, and they will go and submit to showcase to President for sure. And as information which I have, they are going to take on 8th of this month. So I don't think so BJP will take any room for opposition to any kind of poaching, any kind of house trading kind of things going to happen. Yes, if you look at both the partners, one is having NDA has a complete majority in terms of numbers, another one is struggling. If they are going to take JDU as well as TDP, still they are not able to reach the magic number of 272. They are landing up to 263. So I don't think so. They will try their best for sure. They are hungry for the power from last 10 years. They did everything to assure to get the power, and they will try. No doubt they will try. But I'm looking at the current scenario. I don't think so. Mr. Modi and the BJP and the NDA will give any chance to these people to form or create any circulation in politics, and they do any kind of horse trading. So they will get the letter for sure by end of today, and hopefully by tonight they will give it to President, and President will invite Mr. Modi to form the government. So situation is little bit both the sides. You look at from both the sides, but NDAs are this point of time are in safer side, and damn sure they will form the government. But nevertheless, we should not leave India Alliance, because India Alliance tried their best. If you look at the body language of Srimati Gandhi, she was very happy in the way she was there in the press conference. So we need to look at all.
Well, of course, yes.
For more such videos, Subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.